Alright guys, I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, we gotta watch out and figure out what's going on. Alright, oh, I think I see him. I'm shaking too much because I'm scared. So the video, oh, there he is, oh, on the vehicle. Oh, there he was. I see him. There he is. We'll get him. We'll get him. We'll get him. There he is. Get him! I jammed. What's going on?
Reload it!
Oh, you kidding me?
Yeah.
Well, that stinks.
You have to reload it from the top.
Oh, I knew you'd do that. You stinky.
I want stuff on it. Wait, got jammed. Oh, jeez. Little boy got crushed. Oh, Jesus, bullet got crushed for real. I couldn't get it. Wait. I can take this back out.
I'll point that at his face one of these days. Shoot himself right in the head.
Wow. I'm not. Jeez. Stupid bullets. I think you're going to put more in here, right?
I guess, I don't know. We'll try it.
Come on, just there. Come on! Oh, I think it's screwed up that way. What the heck?
Maybe that's the wrong kind of bullet you have in there.
Bullets are screwed up.
Because it won't stay down. When he puts it in, one pops up.
Honey, you may have somebody in there.
It's stuck. Wait.
Pull the clip back out.
Let me take this out. Oh, it's like jam. I'm not lying, it's like jam.
I didn't say nothing. I don't think the people said anything either.
It's like stuck.
And just in case you can like and comment, just no swearing.
I can't get out.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Alright.
I can rip it out.
Pause. You gotta be able to shoot and do both.
I know, I will.
You gotta do what I was doing. Which
Like this?
backwards. That's gonna be shooting at you against you. You gotta do it that way.
Alright. Okay, go! Okay. Try to get this guy right here.